Time now to take a look at your North Central Washington weather forecast. It was a hot one, day one of the heat wave that we expect to last through the weekend and throughout next week. And it was warm throughout all of North Central Washington. Lots of blue sky out there. Beautiful shot looking down at the Wenatchee Valley from our tower camera up on Wenatchee Heights. And that was a warm one, as I mentioned. Day number one of our heat wave, unofficially 92 degrees out there. That's 5 degrees above where we should be for this time of year at 87. 104 our record high, and that was set in 2002. 63 this morning, just a couple of degrees warmer than our normal low for this time of year at 61, and 48 is our record low set in 1981. Sunrise 5:16, and the sun sets tonight at 8:56. All right, getting you into what you can expect as we get into Saturday, and the heat is on. Upper 90s to near 100 for Moses Lake and Ephrata, 97 in Quincy, 96s for Wenatchee and Entiat, about 97 as well in Chelan and up in Omak, even Lake Wenatchee tomorrow. If you're headed up that way, take the sunscreen. Going to be a hot one with a high up there of 92 degrees. All right, tonight we expect mostly clear skies, still a large area of high pressure out in the Pacific, and that ridge extends all the way over in the Dakotas, and that allows all that southwesterly warmth to move our way. We'll see lows in the upper 60s tonight under mostly clear skies. Kicking off our weekend, sunny skies and hot temperatures out there all across central and into eastern Washington into the 90s. Could see some windy conditions as we get into Saturday night. High temperatures in the upper 90s for Sunday. This looks like our hottest day. Some breezy conditions in the afternoon and hot with high temperatures near 100 Sunday afternoon. And then as we kick off our next work week, not much change on Monday. More of those breezy conditions in the afternoon on Monday. Sunshine out there, all kinds of clear skies. High temperatures falling back just a little bit into the mid-90s. And then for Tuesday, this will be our coolest day. We'll see the windier conditions on Tuesday. Low pressure to our east, high pressure to the west, but more of a northwesterly flow on Tuesday. And that'll cool us off for highs around 90 degrees as we get into Tuesday afternoon. Enjoy it because we're right back into the heat as we get into midweek Wednesday with all kinds of clear skies once again around Washington. Hotter even than Tuesday with high temperatures Wednesday back up into the mid-90s. And then for the end of our forecast on Thursday, sunny and still hot. Get ready for it next week with high temperatures again into the mid-90s. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. 68 overnight tonight, sunny and hot to kick off our weekend, 96. And then we'll see a few days of breezy conditions, very warm on Sunday with highs near 100, mid-90s on Monday, around that 90-degree mark for Tuesday, and then back to the sunshine, less wind and hotter temperatures for Wednesday and Thursday, 94 Wednesday and 96 your high temperature on Thursday. And that's a look at your North Central Washington weather forecast. Coming up next, tonight's sports report with Eric Granstrom and more as the NCWLIFE Evening News continues right after this.